Did you know there's a Chinese giant who kept fighting even after his head was chopped off? Hey there, I'm Henry, and today I'm taking you into the wild world of Chinese mythology to meet Xing Tian, the most stubborn warrior who ever lived. Picture this: Xing Tian was a powerful minister who looked at the Jade Emperor ruling heaven and thought, I could do better. So he did what any confident giant would do. He challenged the supreme god himself for control of heaven. The battle was so intense it literally shook reality apart. But here's where it gets crazy. The Jade Emperor defeated Xing Tian and cut off his head as punishment. Most people would call it quits, right? Not Xing Tian. His headless body stood up, turned his nipples into eyes and his belly button into a mouth, grabbed a massive axe and shield, and kept fighting with even more fury than before. This headless terror became unstoppable, representing something beautiful in Chinese culture, that pure willpower can overcome anything, even divine punishment.